Okay, quick 2-minute video here on using Accuware's label connector for QuickBooks for printing invoice data. This could be an invoice template or a packing slip template. It doesn't matter as long as it's created in the invoice screen. We can also use other types of orders, but this quick demo is just to show you invoice-based printing. So what I've got here is an invoice in QuickBooks with 4 items on it. Let's see what this same invoice. So when you use Label Connector, you open up Label Connector as a separate application. You put in the invoice number in this case just to kind of pull up the data. So we'll retrieve the data into Label Connector. You can see the same data comes up that's in the invoice, the same 4 items with the quantities. What I've also got is a camera here with a label printer. So we're just going to go ahead and just print labels for a couple of these items, send them over to the label printer, and you can see we'll print 2 labels for the 2000 PT item and 2 labels for the cover AQ. So real quick, so that just shows you how you can just take invoice data from an existing invoice in QuickBooks, pull that data into Label Connector, and easily print labels to Label Connector. What we used in this case was a label design that was created in our included full drag and drop designer. So in this template, I put a barcode on here of the item, the invoice number, a logo, and a line to just separate that just for cosmetic reasons. So you get the full capability to add text, barcodes, images, do test prints, but usually would not be in the designer. You just go ahead and just print your labels right out of the order screen. So that's just one aspect to Accuware's label connector for QuickBooks for printing invoices. Thank you.